What? Where's she at? Why is all this mess here? Oh. What? Oh, here's a note. Mommy, I need a nap. You finished the cake. Love, Cinnamon. Well, she has been working real hard. I can finish this. Yeah. Oh, look at the little paws walking. Okay. Well, I got the floor cleaned up. Let's see what recipe she was trying to make. So it's a apple cake. You got 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, a can of apples, but I'm using whole apples, 1/2 cup of water, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I used like 5 little tiny apples and diced them up. So in my pan here, I got some extra butter, some sugar, some ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and what I want to do is cook the apples or caramelize the apples. Yep, I managed to get, look at all those apples diced up. I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in here, but we're not going to use all these apples for my apple cake. It could be used in something else. So the pan's on medium heat. Just want to give it a good stir. Wait till that liquid thickens. It'll be a few minutes. Well, while we're waiting on the apples, let's just go ahead and take our wet and dry ingredients and combine them. So, let's take the wet ingredients into the dry. We'll stir it right up and make our cake batter. Well, we're almost there. We got this mixture beat. You know, I almost forgot to add a dash of salt. Salt can bring the sweetness out in your dessert. So now we have 2 small pans with oil. Make sure you butter those and oil those pans. Going to add our mixture in there. Okay, the batter's in the pans. Let's check on our apples. Oh, those look good. So they've been on the pan for, I guess, around 30 minutes. So let's put a few apples on top of this cake. It smells so good in here. Just a couple of spoons. So now we're going to preheat the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. I just realized I had the rack in on the wrong level. I'm gonna put it at the bottom, not the middle. Okay. Here we go. This is what it looks like in here. All the cooking, the prepping, cleaning. This is real old country kitchen right here. A real working kitchen. Yep, it's just me in here. All the cooking and the cleaning and the prepping and having to think what we're gonna have for lunch, and I think we're just gonna have some tostadas. Well, hey Cinnamon, did you have a good nap? Oh, hey, come here. You did great in here. You did the best you could. Love you, Cinnamon. Yeah, that apple cake's gonna be awesome, just like you. Clean the dishes? No, I already cleaned the dishes. I'm gonna get that girl. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I checked the cakes and I believe they're gonna need about 6 more minutes. Okay, I checked them again and they're done. So, you will carefully remove your cakes. Wow, don't that cake look so good? It's real hot. So let's take a bite of this and try it. Well, hey y'all, here I am. Let's try this cake. It is looking yummy. Real hot. It's moist. It's got some crunch to it too. Get in the kitchen and make a mess. And make this cake. This is really good. Fresh apples make a difference. Thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.